Hello guys, today we see a numerical on design of hydraulic system. Draw a simple hydraulic circuit which will operate a hydraulic cylinder of machine. The load during the forward stroke is 20 kN and that during the return stroke is approximately 10 kN. The forward and return speed are about 3 meter per minute and 5 meter per minute respectively. Total stroke of the cylinder is 300 mm. Provision is required to hold the cylinder anywhere in between the end position. Select different components from the data given. Specify rating of the components in case it is not available. So solution, firstly given data, F external is equal to 20 kilonewton is equal to 20 into 1000 means 20 Newton. F at force at return 10 kilonewton and so this is a given data. V external is equal to 3 meter per minute is equal to 0.05. Okay, so design data catalog for selection of components. By using that catalog we can select different components. Suppose the first one is a suction strainer, pressure gauge, check valves, pilot valves, vane pumps, pressure relief valve, cylinder, oil reservoir, directional control valve and flow control valves. So by using that design data catalog for selection of component, we can select different capacity of components. So all of you see, this is given data is provided. After that if select actuator from given design data randomly, for example, so we can select data from data table. So actuator A2 we have to select. Diameter of piston is equal to diameter of piston is equal to 40 mm. Rod diameter of rod is equal to 60 mm. Then P is equal to F external upon A area of piston. Okay, F means force. So is equal to 20,000 divided by pi by 4 into 0.4 square is equal to 1. Okay, so first select pump from given design data having maximum pressure. Design calculation for forward stroke in data. Maximum pressure is 70 bar. By substituting above pressure, find diameter of piston. So by using that formula we can calculate diameter of piston. So P is equal to force external upon area of piston. So put those value, given value. Therefore diameter of piston D suffix P is equal to 0.0603414 is equal to 60.31 mm. Okay, by using that formula we can calculate diameter of piston. So next one is from design data select actuator having diameter equal to or more than 60.31. So we can selected A4. Okay, we can selected A4. Select A4 model. So diameter dp is equal to 75 mm and diameter of rod is equal to dp means diameter of piston and dr means diameter of rod. So diameter of rod is equal to 45 mm. After that P external is equal to force external upon area of pistons. So put this value. So P external is equal to 45.27 bar. So next one is a P rate is equal to, so we calculate P rate is equal to 35.37 bar. Okay, So by calculations we get maximum pressure and maximum flow rate required for system, that is a P external is equal to P max is equal to 45.27 bar, and Q rate is equal to Q max is equal to 14.08 LPM. Okay. So next, now select required component from design data, but designer must have idea about the components required to build hydraulic system. So first draw hydraulic circuit. So this is a hydraulic circuit. So in that hydraulic circuit, all of you see, this is hydraulic circuit. It consists of all basic components of hydraulic. Suppose a reservoir, filter, pumps, pressure relief valves, flow meter, directional control valve, okay, and suction lines, actuator. So firstly select a component from design data. Pmax is equal to 45.27 bar and Qmax is equal to 14.08 LPM. So actuator A4 already selected, and DP, diameter of piston, is equal to 75 mm and diameter of rod is equal to 45 mm. Pump P3 we can select, vane pump. Okay, so this is a P3. After that third reservoir we can select a T2 type reservoir. After that select component from design data. Filter, we can select filter. So suction strainer S2, and flow capacity of that filter is 76 LPM. We can select next component is PRV, pressure relief valve, R3, and after that DCV, directional control valve. So by using all component we selected from design data book. Okay, so next is a FCL, flow control valves. F4 type flow control valve we can use, its capacity 70 bar. Check valve we can selected C2. Okay, so this is animation of this circuit. Okay, this is a filter. After that filter, flow control valves, flow meter, directional control valve. This is actuator, and for 75 mm external pressure, traction pressure, and flow meter. So all parts we can show here. Okay, so this is animation how the circuit is operated or working. Okay, so this is animation of a hydraulic circuit. In that, so suction and compression, extension, all points is shown in that circuit. Suppose this is the extension pressure, retraction pressure, pressure relief valve. Okay, and suppose we change position of directional control valve, first position, third position. Okay, this is animation of circuit in working condition. Lever type push control mechanism you can use in DCV. So this is a middle position, tandem position. Okay, so this is the animation of circuit. So this is statement of problem. And okay, thank you.